Let's learn times table by using repeated addition. Using number blocks. 10 plus 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 10. 10 plus 10 is equals to 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 10, 80 plus 10, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. Here we made 10 times table. Now we are doing same with 20 to make 20 times table. 20 plus 20, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 20, 80 plus 20, 100 plus 20, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. Here is the 20 times table. Now it's time to learn 30 times table by using repeated addition. 30 plus 30, 60 plus 30, 90 plus 30, 120, 150 plus 30, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300. Here is the 30 times table. Now it's time to make 40 times table. When we add 10 times 40, we have 400. Now let's start. 40 plus 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 300, 360, 400. Now here is the 40 times table. It is so easy. Now let's do it again with number 50. 50 plus 50, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 50, 200 plus 50, 250 plus 50, 300, 350, 400, 450. Now 500. Here we have 50 times table by using repeated addition. Now let's do it again with number block 60. Let's make 60 times table. 60 plus 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, 360, 420, 480, 540 and 600. Here we made 60 times table by using repeated addition. Here is the 70 times table. Let's make 70 times table by using repeated addition. 70 plus 70, 140, 210, 280, 350, 420, 490, 560, 630 and 700. Congratulations, you made 70 times table. Now, let's do repeated addition by using number block 80 to make 80 time table. 80 plus 80, 160. 240, 320, 400, 480, 560, 640, 720 and 800. Now we made 80 times table. Congratulations! Time to make 90 times table. 90 plus 90, 180. 270 plus 90, 360. 450, 540, 630, 720, 810 and 900. Here is the 90 time table which we made using repeated addition. Let's make 100 times table. 100 plus 100, 200 plus 100, 300 plus 100, 400, 500 plus 100, 600, 700, 800, 900 plus 100, 1000. Here is the 100 times table. You did it. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel Learning City. Bye.